It's back to school and back to the office for some people, or maybe you have a home office or a gaming room. Let's talk about 3 easy plants for beginners, which means they're also low maintenance, easy care, and beautiful. And maybe also 3 of my favorites. Always on the top of my list is the bird's nest fern. I heart them so much. I want all of you to experience the love I have for this plant. It tolerates everything from low light up to indirect bright light. As a fern, it can dry out much more than traditional ferns, making it less diva-like and easy to care for. It's a slow grower, and I just love its vase-shaped arching habit. I'm pairing it with a new color of our Kendall pot, this really pretty light blue. I think it's gonna go great all the way into fall and is a timeless color for you to enjoy all year long. When I'm displaying plants at home, I like to leave them in the grower's pot and just plop them in a container that may not have drainage. And then when I water them, I take it to the sink, give it its water, let it drain, and then bring it on back. All right, my number 2 plant for beginners is a Sansaria. Now don't get bored, Sansevieras are pretty cool, especially when you can find the varieties that are a little bit different, not your average Sansevieria. This one's called Lauren, and it has this amazing neon yellow-green foliage, some striped variegation, and again, that vase-shaped form. Sansevieria tolerate low light and can do up to bright light. This one with its lighter leaves might show some sun scorch if it's in direct sunlight. Sansavierias don't mind being pot bound, so there's lots of room for this one to grow. When I'm doing a Sansevieria, I usually pick a container that's taller than the grower pot so it can provide some stability for those archy, spiky leaf things. This is the beam pot in cream. Again, another pot with no drainage, but good for a plop plop, fizz fizz, now you're a whiz. That was dumb. Next on my list is a philodendron. Philodendrons are a huge family of plants. They're generally very easy care. I would put them in medium to bright indirect light. The brighter the light, the more upright they're going to stay if it's an upright philodendron, and the less leggy and stringy they're going to be if they're a trailing philodendron. This is the philodendron tortum, and those leaves are super fun and funky. Tolerates drying out. It can tolerate a little extra moisture. I'm putting it in this Carmen pot because we love a little green on green on green on green. No one else is going to have this one. Great plant for beginners, easy care, and also stunning. As you head back to school and back to the office, one of the most important things is making sure that your spaces and places make you feel great, and plants do just that. Plants are known to help with creativity, focus, productivity, and just overall mood enhancement. What's not to love? Thanks for watching, and see you at Tonkadale.